In early 2018, ICOs were at the boom. But then in 2019, most of the ICOs scammed badly. And then another boom came that were of IDOs. But one major thing, if you check and verify the ICOs will give us up to 100x from the issuance price. So in this video, I will try to cover one ICO that will give us good margin in some time. Stay tuned. Before starting the video guys, kindly take an eye on all the past IDO and IEOs in last 1 month. One major deficiency is common among all the IDO and IEOs, that are lack of marketing and also the promotional things. And the result, after even launching on huge launch pads, they are unable to survive. But here comes a solution, that is SMT. What is SMT all about? SMT is a platform that will provide the promotional services for the ICO, IDO and IEOs. All of the assistance will be billed based on the commission from the generated net profit. All the ICOs launch pads that will be listed on the student coin terminal will be promoted by SMT. That is a great thing. SMT has unique features. The best features I will share with you in this video, and some extraordinary features in entire cryptosphere. It will help the projects to survive. In simple words, SMT will work like oxygen for all the new launch pads, ICO, IDO and IEOs. Every quarter, Smart Marketing Token SMT will give the community of SMT holders an opportunity for their voices to be heard. They will be able to choose and vote with their coins on the project that they want SMT to promote. The more SMT they hold, the stronger their voice will be. It means that in SMT, you are not just a holder of the coin. You are also participating in every decision of the team. And that's a unique and also exclusive part of SMT. Basically, at this time the coin is in ICO procedure, so you can easily purchase this token, and the round number 20 I think is ongoing. In this video I will also share with you that how you can purchase this altcoin, but before that you must have to follow them on the Twitter, because every day they are sharing new things about the project SMT. The major goal of the SMT is to build a platform on which you will be able to automatically purchase the marketing services that will be done by the SMT freelancers 24/7. That is a great thing. SMT will build an educational marketing platform available only for SMT token holders. I will share the website in the description of this video. At this time, they already raised up to 400,000, and the price of one SMT is about $0.59 in this ICO round. The launchpad phase 20 is live. They have around about I think 100 launchpad phases are there. It means 80 already left. So at this time the price is entirely low, is only and only 0.595. So simply you have to click over here on the buy smart marketing token. When you are going to click over here, it will redirect you to a new page like this. Then you have to click on the sign up icon, and then you have to enter your email address, password. Then again you have to confirm your password. Then simply you have to click on the continue icon. Then they are going to send you an email. Simply log into your account, and after login to your account you can deposit some amount and easily purchase the SMT token. About the price prediction of this altcoin, I'm entirely optimistic about this altcoin because the idea is entirely huge of SMT, and that is basically a big deficiency in entire crypto market that will be covered by the SMT team, Smart Marketing Token team. So the price will reach up to minimum $5 when it will reach the market. You can even earn some amount if you are going to share your own referral link. Simply you have to sign up on the main platform, and then you will be given by a referral link by the team. Then if for example you are going to share your referral link and any of your friend is going to purchase the token SMT, you will also get some amount. Here comes the entire team. If you have any type of questions, simply you can contact them, and also you can check out the partners DexTools, CoinRanking, CoinZilla, and also Student Coin. So overall that will be a huge thing for the SMT. What do you think about the price idea of this altcoin? Do let me know. And also, before investing anything, you must have to read each and everything on their white paper and also on their main website. Thanks a lot.